Right, I have this set up for a 1-inch cut by 100mm long, or more, I think. I have to just measure it, I can't remember what it was anyway. .265, 265mm long. Now, I'll start it up and we'll see what it does. I've got it going very, very slow. Wow. Done. That is a beautiful cut. Tiny little burr just on the end. But that cut is a thing of beauty. Like I said, the only downside to this is the leak. But apart from that, perfectly serviceable bandsaw. Now I'm trying to see what one it is. Product code 508332. Right. Now I can get back on with my can crusher. Back in a bit.